Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your gender preference on Tinder. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Tinder app and direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll see several icons in the navigation bar, and you need to tap on the profile icon. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can view your photos, bio, and access various account settings. Once you're on your profile page, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice a gear icon, which is the universal symbol for settings. Go ahead and tap on this gear icon to open up your settings menu. This is where Tinder stores all your account preferences and customization options that control how the app works for you. Now that you're in the settings menu, you'll need to scroll down through the various options available. Take a moment to navigate through the list until you find the option labeled Interested in. This particular setting controls which gender profiles Tinder will show you as potential matches, so it's a crucial preference for ensuring you see the people you're actually interested in meeting. When you locate the Interested in option, tap on it to open up the gender preference selection. This will bring up a new screen with several choices that allow you to customize your match preferences. You'll see options for men, women, beyond binary, or everyone. Each of these categories represents different gender identities, and selecting everyone means you'll see all genders in your potential matches. Take a moment to review these options and click on the one that aligns with your dating preferences. Whether you're interested in a specific gender or want to keep your options open by selecting everyone, Tinder gives you the flexibility to match with the people you want to connect with. This setting directly affects which profiles appear in your swipe queue. And that's it. You've successfully updated your gender preference settings on Tinder, and the app will now show you matches based on your new selection. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.